Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. अरे नरसिंह महाराज को बुलाओ प्रभु जी। आप क्या कर रहे हो? अपनी भूख लगा है? अच्छा जरा कौन बोले? सब तो इंग्लिश है नहीं हाँ? कौन सा भाषा बोले? First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Guru Pad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satasi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Siddhavananda Sri Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satasi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Siddhavananda Sri Maharaj. Simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtottara Satismad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavas and presented all of my respectful guests. Actually, today is super excellent auspicious day. Actually, today is called Gopashtami. Whole day, today, Ashtami Tithi is there. Tomorrow, just little time, maybe 1 or 2 hours in Ashtami. For this regard, according to the Vaishnav tradition, culture, tomorrow we will observe Gopa Ashtami. Gopashtami means today first Krishna, he was herding the calves and cows. For this regard, that is called Gopa Ashtami. Every year we also coming his house, and his name is Kanamai, Paresh Chandraji, and his wife Kanamai. क्या नाम है इसका? पत्नी का क्या नाम है? बोल ही सकते। अरे मैं बोल रहा हूँ। अरे तुम्हारे मामी के क्या नाम है रे? हाँ, रानी गिरी। They are completely dedicated to the feet of Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Actually, many years I also used to come in their house, and actually I also collect some money, something for our Keshavji Gaudiya Math. That time our Keshav Gaudiya Math not so much wealthy, not so much money, not really. So for this regard, every day I used to go the house to house in Braj, especially in Mathura, everywhere, door to door, to collect some money for our Keshavji Gaudiya Math. So their families member. So first I also met with them. They are very generous. They are so much dedicated to Lotus Feet of Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj. And especially his wife and his family is so much dedicated to Lotus Feet of Srila Gurudev. कौन सा साल चले गए बोलो? ए गिरी जी इधर आओ। हाँ, कौन सा साल चले? कब? कौन सा है? 2013, and in this month of Kartik, our Parikrama party was in Nandagam. That is the day of Gopashtami. And just early in the morning, and about 6 a.m. or 7 a.m., she also departed from this material world. She also took Diksha Harinam from Gurudev Narayan Goswami. She is very fortunate. And you cannot believe how she also dedicated lotus feet of Srila Gurudev. And I also used to come their house. They have so much love and affection with us as like their family's member. There is Sanskrit word that is called Lokik Sadbandhu Bad Prati. And Brahmaji, he also glorified to Brajavasis how the residents of Braj, they have relationship with Krishna as like their family member. Brahmaji recited this verse, Aho Bhagyo Maho Bhagyo Nanda Gopar Bhaju Kusham Janmitrang Paramananda Purna Brahma Sanatana. In this verse, Brahmaji, he recited how Brajavasis, they are fortunate and Subhagyavan. So the Aho Bhagyo Maho Bhagyo Nanda Gopar Bhaju Kusham and all the residents of Braj and Nanda Braj, they have relationship with Krishna as like their family's member. So saying, Aho Bhagyo Maho Nanda Gopar Janmitram Paramananda Purna Brahma Sanatanam. Krishna is called Purna Brahma Sanatanam Purush. That means he is the supreme personality of Godhead. But Brajavasis, the residents of Braj, they are thinking Krishna is their family member. They never think Krishna is the supreme personality of God itself, Bhagavan. Dekhilo Oishcharya Namani Oishcharya. They saw all the opulence of Krishna, but they did not believe Krishna is the supreme personality of God itself, Bhagavan. Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan 7 days, 7 nights. They saw. They saw Krishna dance on the hoods of Kalyana. They saw Krishna drank the fire, that is called Davanal Bhakshan. In Braj, Krishna, he manifests all opulence, more than Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwaraka and Mathura. Actually, Braj completely full of opulence, but that opulence covered with the sweetness, Madhurya. Sanskrit word. Braj covered with the sweetness, Madhurya. So for this regard, Chaitanya Chaitamritam Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, Dekhilo Oishcharya Namani Oishcharya. Brajavasis, the residents of Braj, they saw Krishna's all opulence, but they don't believe Krishna is Bhagavan. Why? Because at the time of name-giving ceremony, that time Gargacharya, he told, Narayana Samagunai, here Nanda Maharaj, your son Krishna has many qualifications as in Narayana. So for this regard, they are thinking, Krishna has no power. Narayana sometimes are absorbed with him. For this regard, he performed all these opulence Oishcharya. Actually, who is Narayan? Narayan is the incarnation of Lord Krishna. But they don't believe Krishna is Bhagavan, he is the supreme personality of Godhead. So in Srimad Bhagavata, it says, Eta Changsa Kalapungsa Krishnastu Bhagavan Asayam. Ram, Nishinga, Kurti. All they are incarnation of Krishna. And Krishna is called the source of all incarnation. That is called Sarva Avatari. Source of all incarnation. But Brajavasi, they are thinking, Narayan possesses his body. For this regard, he performed all these opulence or activities. So, why I am saying, because those who are pure Brajavasi, this is their mood. Suddha Bhakta. Suddha Bhakti, pure devotion service in their heart. So, why I am saying, because she was very lucky. In this month of Kartik, And the day of Gopastami, very early in the morning, that is called Brahma Murta. And she departed from this material world. And he served Gurudev also. And in our any, what is called, Utsav, celebration, she also attended in our Mathura Keshavji Gauriya Math. And she completely dedicated, she also served with his body, mind, everything to serve Gurudev. And she sold all her ornaments, something also. And she gave to Gurudev and served Thakurji. And this. And you cannot believe how she had love and affection with Guru and Vaishnavas. And she chanted also holy names and Gayat, or it's called Gopal Mantra. And Gurudev gave her. And early in the morning she also chanted Gurudev's mantra, Gopal Mantra, Guru Gayatri. Then she departed from it. And it's super excellent auspicious. Actually I told maybe tomorrow I will come, because tomorrow not possible, because tomorrow we are going to Nandagaon. There is, so for this regard I told, not possible tomorrow, you can't come. And so today you can do this. Actually today whole day is what? Ashtami Tithi. You understand for this? And just that upstairs to give myself and what is called Narsingh Maharaj, Anangamohan Prabhu, we do also fire sacrifice, very nice, beautiful. And so Krishna today, when Krishna grew up, Krishna told, I have to go herding the cows. Yeah, I have to go to the herding the cows. Then Nanda Maharaj told, how possible? In my house many servants. So they can also go to the herding the cows. But Krishna, very clever, Krishna told, no. Only Krishna is now 5 years old. Krishna told, no, I born in cowherd dynasty, Gopajati. So this is our business and profession. So according in our dynasty, cowherd dynasty, I have to go to herding the cows. But Nanda Maharaj told, no need. But Krishna is very stubborn. This is the nature of the baby. Three stubborn is very prominent. One is the nature of the baby. Baby stubborn. And that is the Sanskrit word that is called bal hot. Hot means stubborn. Jid karte, stubborn. I have to do this. Another is called Rajhat. Rajhat means the stubborn of king. King stubborn. A king is thinking, I have to do this, I have to do. Or another, very difficult to speak. What is that? Wife stubborn. If wife is thinking, I have to do this, she will not listen advice of her husband. I have to do. Do you understand? In the same way, Krishna, he told to Nanda Maharaj, Father, I born in cowherd dynasty, Gopajati. So this is our profession. You have to go to herding the cows. According to the Indian Vedic caste system, Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Sudra, Brahmans, their profession to worship Thakurji, and Deva Puja, Archanam, and worship Thakurji. Kshatriya, their profession to protect the country, fighting, and this. Or Vaishya Jati, Vaishya Jati means those who are cultivating the land and or the trade business, and understand this. And also protecting the cows, Gorakshan, Krishi Gorakshan. Krishi means cultivate the field, growing seeds, what is called? Grains and these. Are Sudras, their duties to serve the three castes. And this is Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says this verse. Chatur varna maya sistam guna karma vibhagosha. This is called Daiva Varnashram Dharma. That means Krishna says according to their qualification, they should be belongs to that caste and race. This thing. So in this way, Krishna, he told to Nanda Maharaj an argument. The father, I born in cowherd dynasty, so my duty, you have to do this. And especially in my boyhood, childhood, I have to practice. In your childhood, you not practice, then you cannot perform activity when you become old. Kanchayana nuale bans pakai kare tans. That means is what? If the green bamboo easy, you can bend. But same green bamboo tree, when it will become mature and old, you cannot do easy to bend. If you by force a bend, that will be what? Break. So for this regard, we saying Kachayana nuale bans pakai kare tans. Understand? क्या बोला? कच्चा ना नुआले बांस पकाई करे टांस माने टूट जाएगा. कच्चा बांस जो है अति सहज रूप में आप टेढ़ा कर सकते हो, और वही बांस जब पक जाएगा, टेढ़ा करने से वो क्या हो जाएगा? फट टूट जाएगा. That means Krishna says in this way, in my early age, I have to practice my duties and responsibilities. And if you are student, when you are early age, you have to go to school, college and learn knowledge from school, college. Or when you are become old, and you cannot learn anything, you cannot remember anything. वृद्धावस्था में कोई पढ़ाई ठीक से नहीं कर नहीं पाओगे. युवावस्था में बच्चा जो है जल्दी याद कर ले सकते नहीं सकते हैं. वही बच्चा जब बड़ा हो जाएंगे वो याद कर नहीं पाएंगे. सो दैट मीन्स है कौमारं आचरित प्राज्ञ धर्मान भगवता नहीं हो. प्रहलाद महाराज ही also says this verse. Everybody should practice Krishna consciousness in their early age. इसलिए कौमारं आचरित प्राज्ञ धर्मान भगवता नहीं हो. Everybody have to practice Krishna consciousness in his early age. This is the process. In the same way, Krishna told, Father, I have to go to the herding the cows. And Krishna is very stubborn with his own word. Then Mother Jashoda, she told, no, Krishna, how possible to go to the herding the cows? Because in Braj, especially in summer time, very hot, the rays of sun very strong, and the gorgeous, very scorching rays of the sun. You cannot tolerate. How possible to walk in the path of Vrindavan? There are many stones, shapes are there. How possible? But Krishna told, no, I have to practice. Then Mother Jashoda, she thinking, how possible Krishna would go. So for this regard, Mother Jashoda, Nanda Maharaj told, okay, and you take the small baby cup, just go maybe 3-5 meters, then you can turn back. But Krishna told, no, and I have to go, herding the calves, this thing. But Nanda, Jashoda, they felt pang of separation from Krishna. Understand this? So in this the first time Krishna, he was herding the cows. That is called Govatsa Charan. Govatsa Charan. That means first time Krishna, he was herding the baby calves. Then Nanda Jasoda told, listen Krishna, how you will walk behind the calves and cows? You will have to take the shoes. Then Krishna told, no. Cows and calves, they are our Istadeva. Istadeva is worshipful deities. According to Shastra also explained. And you should not put the shoes in front of a guru or Thakurji. Understand? This thing. In the same way, Krishna, very logical. According to logic, Krishna established his own opinion. They are our cows and calves, they are our Istadeva. Understand? Istadeva means worshipful. So how possible I will put shoes in front of cows and calves? कृष्ण ने कहा हम गोप जाति होने के नाते गाय बछड़े हमारे इष्ट देव है, इष्ट देवी है। शास्त्र में लिखा गया गुरु के सामने और ठाकुर के सामने क्या करना चाहिए? जूता पहनना नहीं चाहिए, खाली पैर में चलना चाहिए। अंडरस्टैंड? तो गुरु का बछड़ा और बछड़ी और क्या बोले गाय क्या है? मेरे इष्ट देव, तो उनके सामने हम कैसे पहनेंगे? एंड कृष्ण इज वेरी क्लेवर। नमो ब्रह्मण्य देवाय गो ब्रह्मण्य हिताय च कृष्णाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः। But Nanda Jasoda told Krishna, listen, cows, they can walk everywhere because they have hooves. They would not feel any pain if they would walk in stone, chips or anything. But how possible to walk behind the cows without shoes, barefoot? Then Nanda said, okay, you have to take this. Then again Krishna argument and giving the logic. Okay, I can take the shoes, but first you offer the shoes all the cows and calves. Big shoes factory need also. And कृष्ण ने दूसरी आर्गुमेंट क्या किया? नंद जसोदा ने कहा बेटा देखो गाय के बछड़े के खुर है, वो तो कहीं भी चल सकते हैं, उसके तो कांटे भी नहीं लगे कुछ नहीं होगा, क्योंकि तुम्हारे तो लगेगा नहीं लगेगा, इसलिए तुम जूता पहनो। कृष्ण ने क्या कहा? अच्छा सारे गाय को और बछड़े को पहले जूता पहनाओ, फिर मैं जूता पहनूं, तो ये संभव नहीं है। बट कृष्ण टोल्ड ओके, सो आई हैव टू गो barefoot. In this way, today first Krishna, he was herding the calves, and then Brahmanas, and according to the rules and regulations Shastra, Brahmanas, they chanting some special mantra and stav stuti, and this Om Sastino Govinda Sastino Achutananto Sastino. In this way they also. Then Mother Jasoda, she thinking Krishna, we will go very far, maybe others, and what is called? Bhoot Pisaj, no? Ghosts, spirits of soul, they attract to Krishna. For this regard, Mother Jasoda, she has Vatsalya Bhav and parental mode. The Mother Jasoda, she put the 12 marks tilak on the body of Krishna. माँ जसोदा ने की गोविंद के शरीर पर 12 तिलक मार्क्स लगा दी। ललाटे के सब अध्याय नारायण माथोदरे, एंड हे गोविंद जो है हमारे गोपाल की ललाट को रक्षा करे। इसी प्रकार 12 तिलक लगाया और 12 मंत्र जप करने लगे। नाम किसको ले रहे हैं? अपने बेटा के नाम ले रहे हैं और कहते हैं हमारे गोपाल को रक्षा करे। And Mother Jashoda, she is taking the name of Krishna's or mantra and also putting tilak. And how they have love and affection with Krishna Bhaktanda. And this thing. In this way, then Krishna, he become mature, Kishore Avastha. Then Krishna, he told, I have to herding the cows. Banang Banantare Krishna, he goes one forest to another forest to herding the cows. Actually, Krishna, he is going one forest to another forest, herding the cows, searching to the gopis. This is the main thing.
Excuse.
Just Krishna excuse. I am going to herding the cow. Actually, Krishna, he is searching. He is pure devotee, Radha, Lulita, because they are feeling painful separation from Krishna. In this way, Venuguta's Sukdev Goswami Pad also explained this way. So, I am saying because today is very super auspicious day. That is called the Gopa Ashtami. Ashtami Titho. And 8 days from the new moon. And understand? And Amavasya se aaj 8 दिन हो गया. And 8 days from the new moon. And so today is very super auspicious day. And Gaur Premanande, then Maharaj will speak something, then I will also do some. There are others, and offering bhog and little bit small, what is it called, shraddha, and offering. आप बोल थोड़ा भोग लगा दिया ना एक किताब लगा भक्ति सागर लगा हैं इन्होंने छपा छपाया हाँ वेरी नाइस they also manufacture this book printing books हाँ भक्ति सागर लिखा है
ओम ज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरुवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा